Hello there. This video will show you how to configure the network settings of your camera using SentryView, Sentry360's camera configuration tool. First, connect your camera to the network and make sure it is powered on. Next, click on Scan. SentryView will scan your network for any cameras and will return a list of the cameras it found. SentryView will display the MAC address, IP address, subnet mask, gateway, DHCP settings, ping indication, model number, and current firmware of the camera. SentryView can quickly auto-configure up to 250 cameras at one time. Select the cameras that you would like to configure from the list and click Auto Configure. A new window will open up. Select your network connections from the drop-down. On the right-hand side, you can change the schemes of the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. For this tutorial, I'm going to set an IP address scheme of 192.168.1 and let SentryView assign the rest of the IP address. If you were configuring these cameras for a different network, you could change the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway to the appropriate scheme. For this tutorial, I will leave the subnet mask and gateway at their default values. Click Configure. SentryView displays the old IP address of the cameras as well as the new IP address configured. Click OK and SentryView will rescan your network. SentryView will display the list of cameras on your network again, and the cameras you have configured display on the list with their new IP address. You can also manually configure your cameras by selecting one from the list and editing its configurations on the right. You can change the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DHCP settings. In this tutorial, I will change the IP address of the camera to 192.168.1.13. Click Apply after your changes are typed in. SentryView will rescan your network when the settings have been applied and display the list of your cameras once again. Looking at the list, you can see the IP address of the camera we configured shows 192.168.1.13. This concludes this tutorial on how to configure a camera's network settings using SentryView. Thank you for watching, and for more tech support help, please visit www.sentry360.com and click on Support.